Yeah, hit it as hard as you can.
Solid center to it.
That bad? Maybe it's like, I don't know, oak or something? Okay. I think that's good, hun.
Oak here.
I don't know. Man versus wood. I think that's pretty good, huh? I think you should give it up. Go give the guy his saw back or something. Okay, okay. Don't try and saw it in the air. Oh, awesome. Wood. Yeah, that thing can just go in there as it is.